Hi, my name is Emily Barnett, and this is my first presentation for ED-FD 5063, Section 93. This is my family. This right here on the left is myself. I am a graduate of the University of Arkansas at Monticello from December of 2017, and I started the MAT program in January. On the right is my daughter, which is 2 years old, and her name is Adeline Grace. She will be 3 in October. I did not get a teaching job this year, so I am currently subbing. I subbed this year and last year whenever I graduated I started. Last year I subbed in Hamburg, Crossett, McGee, Drew Central, and I think that's all. And this year I'm only subbing in Hamburg because that's where I live. Hoping to get a teaching job next year. My future plans are next year I hope to have an elementary classroom and be a teacher at a district in Southeast Arkansas. My expectations for the MAT program are to further my education about teaching, gain new knowledge I did not previously have, and learn any and everything I can to be successful in the classroom. Something interesting about me is I was born 3 weeks early and I weighed 1 pound and 13 ounces. I have a daughter that is 2 years old, soon to be 3, and I am the first person in my family to earn a college degree on either side. Thank you.